The State versus MUSA KEKANA and 4 others. Case number SF 98 of 2025. Yes, the trial is finally here. The lawyer problem resurfaced first thing in the morning, but Judge Kasim Ismail Musa made a judgment, and this is the schedule. The trial starts 20 August, running all the way to 7 August 2026. And then the trial will take a short adjournment from 11 August to 28 of August 2026. And then it resumes from the 31st of August to the 18th of August. If they are not done, the judge will reschedule the continuation of the trial. So this means Vusimuzi Matlala will not testify at the Matlala Commission on the 1st of September. If the commission wants him, they will have to get him some time during this adjournment between 11 August to the 28th. So just to recap, the charges are a bucket full of conspiracy to commit murder, 3, attempted murder, 11, possession of prohibited firearms, 2, possession of ammunition, 2, money laundering, 4 charges, fraud, 1 charge, defeating the ends of justice was added as an alternative. I don't know what that means, whatever that means. They have a total of 25 charges, a whole bucket full. The accused are accused number 1, MUSA KEKANA, accused number 2, Floyd Mabusela, accused number 3, Vusimuzi Matlala, accused number 4, Tsakane Matlala, accused number 5, Nthabiseng Nzama, who is the daughter of accused number 2. The prosecutors have arranged this bucket full of 25 charges into 4 smaller buckets. So they call them incident number 1. I call it bucket number 1. So whichever one works for you will work with everybody. I'll call it bucket number 1, but the prosecutor is calling it incident number 1. Is the Sibanyoni incident that has count 1 to 8. So as you can see here, the conspiracy to murder is count 1 against Joe Ferrari, count 2 against Joe Ferrari, Sandile Welcome Masimule, Donald Mutau, Kayaletu Francis Mazibugo, Bethuel Nzamo Tlele. So there is all these 1, 2, 3, 4 people that are under the attempted murder charge. And then there's count 7 and 8. We already talked about those ones. The state story is that Vusimuzi Matlala, MUSA KEKANA, Floyd Mabusela, which is accused number 1, 2, and 3, conspired to murder Joe Ferrari. According to the prosecution, KEKANA and Mabusela carried out a coordinated shooting at the Centurion Gold Club estate on 10 August 2022, acting with Matlala's knowledge and on his instructions. 5 people became victims of an attempted unaliving charges arising from this incident. The state further alleges that an AK-47 assault rifle and its ammunition were unlawfully possessed during the attack. This incident represents the first alleged murder to hire style attack, forming part of a broader prosecution narrative. Move on to bucket number 2. This is incident number 2, the Diboho Tobejane incident. So in this one, we have count 9 to 14. And we have Tobejane. The victims are Tobejane, Anele Aleshia Malinga, is also called Japan, Kumbulani Ngube. And then we have count 13 and 14, possession of unlawful firearm and ammunition. The state alleges that Matlala, KEKANA, Mabusela accused 1, 2, and 3 subsequently conspired to unalive Teboho Tobejani. And that Kekana and Mabusela, the hitmen, carried out the attempted unaliving during October 2023 with Matlala's knowledge and involvement. 3 people became the subjects of this attempted unaliving arising from this incident. Unlike the Sibanyoni incident, which is on bucket number 1, Tsakane Matlala, who is accused number 4, is alleged to have acted as an accessory after the fact in relation to the attempted unaliving counts. The state further alleges that the perpetrators unlawfully possessed an AK-47 assault rifle ammunition during the commission of these offenses. This incident is important because it provides the breach between the attempted unaliving allegations and the subsequent money laundering and alleged cover-up charges that immediately followed in the indictment. And that leads us to bucket number 3. Incident number 3 is the money trail that we just talked about. So in this money trail, we have count 15 to 18. So in this count, we have 2 counts of money laundering, and then we have another one, money laundering, and then we have another one, fraud, and then we have attempting to defeat the administration of justice. So the state alleges that payments made during October 2023 represent portions of compensation paid to the attempted unaliving count number 10 in bucket number 2. According to the prosecution, money was transferred from Ket Matlala's business account to Nthabiseng accused number 5 bank account, after which portions were transferred into the business account of Floyd Mabusela, who is accused number 2. Remember, accused number 5 is the daughter of accused number 2. The state further alleges that following Ket Matlala's arrest, documentary evidence in form of a false funeral parlor invoice and or receipt was created in an attempt to disguise the true nature of the payments as funeral expenses relating to accused number 2, Mabusela's mother. So counts 15 to 18, therefore, represent the prosecution alleged money laundering, fraud, cover-up, narrative linking to financial transactions to the attempted murder. So in this money laundering charges, on count 15 is 20,000, 16 is 100,000, then another one for that was raised through false receipts, 70K, 20K, 100K. They were playing around with money. So we move on to bucket number 4. Incident number 4 is Makobang DJ Ventis incident. This one carries counts 19 and to the end 25. So what do we have here? We have the conspiracy to murder, attempted murder. The victims are none other than DJ Ventis himself, Austin Sinki Makobang. Oh, that is DJ Ventis. That's one and the same person. And then the second person is Leonard Mabulela Songu, and then Swarelo Tsepiso Pite. So we have 3 victims in this bucket number 4. So, and then we have count 23, possession of prohibited firearm and unlawful possession of another firearm. And then there is a money laundering charge in here of 10K, forming part of the conversation on the count 20 attack. So the state alleges that Ket Matlala, Kekana, and Mabusela, accused number 1, 2, and 3, conspired to unalive DJ Ventis during January 2024, and that accused number 2 and 1, and that is MUSA KEKANA and Mabusela, carried out the attempted killing with Matlala's knowledge. 2 additional attempted unaliving charges arise from the same incident involving Leonard Bulelo Asongu and Tshwarelo Tsepitsopitse. The prosecution further alleges that Kekana and Mabusela unlawfully possessed a prohibited Taurus 9mm semi-automatic pistol. I don't know anything about pew-pews, so these things they don't make no sense to me. So, but anyway, where were we? Okay, so the prosecution further alleges that Kekana and Mabusela unlawfully possessed a prohibited Taurus 9mm semi-automatic pew-pew with identifying marks removed together with accompanying ammunition. Finally, the state alleges that an additional 10,000 rands constituted a portion of the compensation for the attempted unaliving and forms the basis of the final money laundering charges in the indictment. This incident completes the state's theory that the shootings, firearms, and financial transactions formed part of an interconnected criminal enterprise rather than isolated events. So I do not know why there is no racketeering charges in that, but we will stay tuned. So if you want to keep up with this trial, please press the follow button, and I will be dropping updates on this trial up to the very end. I will not miss anything. This is only day one of the case against MUSA KEKANA and 4 others that include the power couple, the Matlala power couple. See you on the next one.